Hello, back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete screenshots on a Samsung Galaxy S25, step by step. This method is very simple and works for anyone, even if you're new to Samsung phones. So let's get started. First, go to the gallery menu. The gallery is the main place where all your photos, videos, and screenshots are stored. Once the gallery app opens, look at the bottom or top of the screen and tap on the albums option. This section shows all folders available on your phone, such as camera, WhatsApp images, downloads, and more. Now scroll down through the list of albums and find the folder named Screenshots. When you see it, tap on the Screenshots folder to open it. Here you will see all the screenshots you have taken on your device. Next, select the screenshots you want to delete. You can tap and hold on one screenshot to enable selection mode, then tap on multiple screenshots if you want to delete more than one at the same time. After selecting the screenshots, look for the delete icon, which usually looks like a trash bin, and tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap delete again to confirm your screenshots have been successfully deleted from your Samsung S25. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and helpful tips.